Here we are. We at another Dixon Plumbing Contractors. We at 52nd and Market. A new store opening up. It's called the Food Market Station. Here we have Bruce Russell, the technician, working on a food prep sink, working on a garbage disposal food grinder. Of course, he's in uniform. That's a good thing.
Always professional.
In this particular location, we did all the supply lines and drain lines. Everything cast iron copper. Here we have our newly installed 3-compartment sink for the client. Going into a grease interceptor. Here we have a hand sink. Everything is hard piped in. Here we have the hot water tank. Mop sink. Just showing a little bit of the work. The venting for the 3-compartment sink. Here we have Lamar Pleasant, the master plumber, putting in the flush master. Is that what you're doing, Mr. Pleasant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You explain what you're doing over here?
Well, I'm trying to get some pipe built so I can build the metal fitting that we have here so we can properly install the flush meter.
Flush meter.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
And that'll be all, folks, for right now. Once again, we're doing another Dixon Plumbing Contractors. Rough in and finish. And we'll take a finish out of this store, this new location.